Hello guys, this is Tashiman Watson here with another video today, and we are gonna actually do some unboxing today and test out some new tools that I bought. I bought these in various places, one from Kingston and Montego Bay. First thing that I'm gonna show you that I bought was a tool set. It's a amazing shine professional quality nail art brush set, and we're gonna do the unboxing today for this. We're also gonna do this. I bought this at the J&J Pharmacy in Montego Bay and Barney Street, and I bought this at Beauty Supplies. I actually bought this yesterday evening. This was the last thing that I bought. I bought these a few weeks ago, but I was so busy in Christmas doing lots of hair I didn't get the chance to use them. And I actually bought some things in Kingston. I bought this Glam rhinestone glue. See, it has, I think it's 2 sections. Yes, that you can actually, yes, use the brush and the dotting tool on the tip of it. So we're gonna try this today. I've already tried that with some rhinestones on my eyeglasses, and I also bought this at Hilton's Pharmacy. Yes, and I bought this for, they said it's for hair, face, or nail. And I think I'm gonna try a couple of these rhinestones. I'm not gonna try the glitter today, but I'm gonna try a couple of these rhinestones when I'm actually done testing out my ombre brush. I don't know if I'm gonna try these today. I'm gonna do any nail art, but I really wanted to do the unboxing with you guys. I'm not sure I'm gonna use this today, but I'm definitely gonna use my ombre brush. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna try this purple polish. It's a glow polish to do my ombre, and I'm gonna use this blue one with it. So I'm gonna have a blue and purple ombre. And I was inspired by the 10 little canvases. That's a nail video that I also watched before I'm going ahead to shop and buy these products. I hope you click on to our YouTube channel, rather, sorry, because it's really beneficial to watch. You can be fully inspired to do a lot of stuff on that channel. I also bought some reflective polishes in Kingston. These were the reflective polishes that I bought. I bought 3 of them, and I made some swatches, but I don't know, maybe I'll try one today. I bought 3 of these. I'll try maybe to do something with the reflective polishes. Yes, so this is the 3 that I bought in Kingston, and you could watch that video where when I went to Kingston to shop. It was during the Christmas season, and get the location in Kingston where I bought those. So first I'm gonna put this on. It's a UV primer. Is this a UV primer? I think, oh sorry, it's the wrong primer. This is the UV primer. Sorry about that, guys. I have 2 primers to do my nails. So actually, guys, this is my first time using a ombre brush, and I wanted to do these nails on my fingers, but I'm having a little problem with the glue and the base coat on my fingers. So I'm just doing a little chit chat while I do these. So I'm actually doing some press-ons to test the ombre brush, the reflective polishes. I don't know if I'm gonna test the art brushes on these today. I wanted to do a client for the first time with the nail art brushes, and I am gonna have to do maybe a video with that while I'm doing a client. So that's 15 seconds under the UV lamp for the, or 30 seconds for the UV primer to dry, and then we're gonna do a base coat so that the polish can be adhered. Okay guys, so I said that I would do an unboxing. I think I don't want to do any pattern today, guys. I just want to test my brush out and show you what the rhinestone glue can do, and I think that will be it. That will be it. For the nail art, it would be very specific, the type of pattern that I would do on those 3 brushes, so I'm just gonna leave that for a next or another video, guys. Sorry about that. So this is the base coat that I'm applying. They are both from Glam. The rhinestone glue that I bought in Kingston, I only bought one. I'm having a lot of regrets right now. It's from Glam also, and it's very good. I've tried it on my bubble glass. I bought a bubble glass in Kingston for the first time. I also bought that and some clothes. I went to do some shopping for myself actually, and I picked up a few things to wear during the Christmas holiday. So that's the reason why I actually went shopping there. And oh my god, I just saw these polishes, guys. I didn't even remember to put on my magic remover soak off gel polish to test them for the first time on camera with you guys. Oh my. So I'm gonna take these out. That's 37 seconds, and I'm gonna test these. So we're actually doing a lot of unboxing today. I'm very sorry. I left the best for last. This is a soak off, and I don't know how good this polish is, but it says soak off, and it's actually gummy. So I'm testing that out. If it does not work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh my. And I even bought these, guys. Oh, I thought I told you I did swatches of the reflective polishes. This is the swatch. This is the swatch that I did. This is the fake and that I also bought in Kingston. I'm gonna put this back, and it's some light for you guys. It's getting a little bit dark. I decided to I don't know why I decided to do my So guys, I don't know why I decided to do my video this late. Alright, so that was 78 seconds under the lamp. These are fully cured. I don't know why I decided to do this. Set so late I had to turn on some lights. Sorry about that, guys. So this polish is actually a soak off, and this polish is actually a soak off polish, and as you can see the texture of it, I just turn on some light. Oh, it's a rubber base soak off. I put it under the lamp for 70 seconds, but I don't know, it still has a sticky layer. So what I'm gonna do, I don't think I'm gonna get a smooth finish. I'm gonna dry these a little bit more, and if it's anything, I'll still do my ombre. What I did not was to test it on one polish, on one nail, and see, but I'm winging this, guys. I think I'm gonna use it still to do my ombre and try it to see how well it works with the polish on top. Well, it's a little bit rubbery. It's very rubbery. Never seen these polishes before, but what I'm gonna do is actually see if I can get a smooth finish with my low polish. I think I'm gonna switch these nails. I don't think I'm gonna do these nails, guys. Use these nails to do the ombre. I'm just gonna have them swatched to do my rubber base. Magic remover, sorry. To do my magic remover. Polishes that I didn't remember to swatch. So now I'm gonna have to actually pick out some different nails to do my... I'm gonna have to pick out some nails to do my ombre. Alright, so this is the one for that. Alright, was just trying the polish, the purple polish that I put on, so we could get that result together. Alright, guys, so I think I found the other set to do my ombre. Alright, these were 90. This was 90 seconds. It's a little bit tacky. So as you can see, this is the result of my magic remover tips. I'm gonna lay these here in the lamp so they can dry even better. You're a little bit tacky, and I'm gonna put these on to do my ombre. To do my ombre, I'm gonna do a ombre now for the very first time on camera, guys, so please don't come for me if I don't pull this one off, because seen these done on YouTube a lot, and I'm always jealous of the results. So what I'm gonna do is to do this with you today. So let's start over again. First I'm gonna use the UV primer, and I'm gonna do one coat on each so that the polish can adhere or stick. This UV primer is very good, guys. I've been wearing all the nails with this primer and base coat, and I'm going to continue to use this UV primer to do my base, to put on my base coat, to do my nails for the rest of my life. So let's let that try for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna put on the base coat by Glam. Okay, so I really did not want to disappoint you guys and put off the unboxing for the nail brushes, but I think I'm gonna save those for a client. I have a new client on Saturday. These are the colors for the reflective polishes. I have a red one. I think I'm gonna do a swatch. But this was 44 seconds. Let's get to putting in the ombre polish, and then we can go back to the and. If this video is all over the place, I'm very sorry for that, but I haven't done a video in a long while, so if I'm really confused, guys, bear with me. I've been trying really hard to get these out of the way before Christmas ending, and I was so busy. I was also sick for a week. I had this asthma attack. I think I am going to upload this video fully. I want to try and see if I can upload a very long video. I've never done that before. So let's try to do this ombre, and let's test our red reflective polish. I have a red reflective polish and also two others. I have, let me see, I don't have any blue polish, regular blue polish, so I think I'm gonna try this if this blue one does not work out as I planned to. Alright, so let's get to it. So this would be our purple polish. I'm gonna do the purple at the bottom. So this is the base or the top coat for the ombre. Well, I think this polish is done. Yes. I really wanted to try this purple because I saw it. Alright, I have another one. I think I have another purple polish. So what you do first is apply the polish, and then you would apply the brush to get the ombre design. So I'm gonna try to do that to blend it. Alright, let me take this off the stand so I have full control over it. So if this is a blender brush, oh wow, it's perfect. I love it. I love it, guys. Even though it's taking off the polish, I think I'm gonna work with this. Alright, I'm gonna dry this. I love it. And I'm gonna also test it with the regular polish also. I'm gonna test it with the regular polish. I'll also get a lot more brushes because I want to use my umber brush a lot to do some ombres for myself and my clients. So I'm gonna use my umber brush a lot. I'm gonna try this purple, the other one, and I'm gonna also try the regular polish. Sorry about that, guys. But my camera is not standing up. Okay, that's it. So that was more than 30 seconds under the lamp. I'm gonna try it with this purple. It's a bit brighter and it's more in the jar. I wanted to use a lighter one, but let's try this out, guys, again. It works very well to blend. Alright. See? It blends perfectly well. Let's try that. And then let's put polish on the brush. Alright, let's put polish on the brush. Let's try this with the polish on the brush and see how it works. So I didn't really think I would have the time to do so many unboxing in one video. I was planning on doing the unboxing for each thing that I bought, but as you can see, guys, that did not work out. And to test them at the same time, that's my problem. To test out the product and to do my unboxing for each, I wasn't thinking of doing so much, but now that I'm doing it, I'm gonna actually leave maybe the rhinestones and I'm gonna leave the rhinestones and the nail art brushes for another video. If I don't leave the brushes, if I don't leave the rhinestone, then I'll leave the brushes for another video, guys. Alright, let's do the blue on the tip of this. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. This is pretty. I had this sharp line. And I wanted to do these sets with the chrome, but I'm not gonna be able to try the chrome. I'm not gonna be able to try the chrome effect over these. So let's do one nail and maybe I'll try my chrome on top of it. See if I can do it as well as that beautiful lady in the video, 10 little canvases. I'm just giving you a shout out. If anyone knows her, watch her YouTube videos, comment. If I did a good job, comment on that, please, for me. But I've watched her videos so many times back to back, and I'm fully inspired by her work. I'm praying that this goes well. Let's do another nail while this dry with the color. I should do that. I shouldn't be wiping off there. The tip. This is the reason why I don't really use my sticky tack to do a lot of videos for you guys. I'm having a hard time. I don't know how these YouTubers use alright, so that's it. 30 seconds. It has a harsh line underneath the purple, but you can hardly see it because I'm using the umber brush to blend. So I'm gonna use this third coat, and I'm doing this weird thing with my tongue while I'm speaking, guys. I hate it so much. I don't know if you guys pick it up on camera, but I'm just gonna embrace my flaws on YouTube now for 2023 and let you guys have it full 100. I don't think I'm gonna be deleting my or blooping out my mistakes or my flaws. I'm just telling myself I really wanna embrace my flaws on YouTube. I wanna be original for you guys. I know I am no fake to my clients, but I think I'm gonna put top coat on. Oh, I have another nail to do, and I'm not gonna do purple on that one. I'm gonna do yellow and blue. So they're under the lamp drying, so let's do the yellow and the blue. The polish will give me a better, those were glow polishes, maybe I'll get a better blend from these. And my phone is recording fully. I'm very happy about that. My phone is fully recording. I did not have any problems over the holiday with the recording. I just did a lot of video that I wasn't expecting to do for Christmas, because I had clients that had known me for years, 15, 10 years, and they were calling me to get work done for the holidays. I'm very grateful for that. So I recorded some of what I could for the holidays and showed you guys on YouTube, but most of my best work I have not included on my vlogs, my daily vlogs for Christmas. I did a vlogmas and it went well. I only skipped 2 days, and I have videos that I don't even show you guys on the vlogmas as yet. I think I'm gonna use them in the future to prove or to show that those were done Christmas. yes, those were done during Christmas. So what I'm gonna do now is top coat, and I'm gonna top coat and let you guys see the result of the ombre on camera. On camera. On camera, guys. On camera. On camera. And I'm gonna leave the rhinestones for actual full set, because testing out this is not really my thing to waste my polishes, putting them back. I don't really want to waste my polishes, guys. I don't think I should, so I'm gonna leave the... Sorry, I was gonna try a regular polish, the ombre, so let's try a regular polish. I don't think I want a professional brush, guys. I don't think I like this ombre brush. I think these should be for makeup. I think they are for makeup and they use them for nails. That's what I'm thinking. So let us try it with a regular polish. A regular polish, guys. The polish almost slip out my hands, guys. Oh, this is a matte, and it's Huda Beauty. I bought these in the pharmacy at Sam Shop Square. As you can, oh, you can smell it. It smells really terrible for me, and it blends well. It blends well. I don't want to put this one in the lamp, so I'm gonna leave it here to dry. I hope I don't mess it up, and clean my brush off. I should use acetone to clean my brush off. Where is my acetone? Where is my acetone? Where is my acetone? I don't have any acetone. Nail polish remover. Check. Tell me I don't have any acetone on nail polish remover. That would be a shame. That would be bad. Why would I do that to myself? Something is burning, guys. My neighbors are making. Something gaseous. It's affecting my breathing. What do I see? Oh, it's in my acetone. Yes. Right. I can find my acetone. I think it's in my. Oh yeah. Here it is, and I have some powders to try also. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to, sorry about that guys. I'm gonna put, see the ombre brush works. Maybe I'm not doing the application right, but it works, it's drying. So I'm gonna do a top coat on that. And I'm gonna put a top coat on this. Top coat on these. And we're gonna do the reveal shots together on camera. Alright, I'm gonna cover I'm gonna put the glitter on, the rhinestone on that. I'm just gonna do some regular. I'm gonna do a regular. Oh yes, let's try the reflective polish. Told you I had something to test out for you guys, but I did not remember the reflective polish in red. It's so pretty, guys. It's pretty, trust me. So this is gonna be a very beautiful set. I'm gonna do a rhinestone on that blue. So let this dry for 30 or 60 seconds, guys. Let's give that 60 seconds under the UV lamp. Then we're gonna give it a top coat, and we're gonna put some more blue on this ombre. It's gonna be rhinestones and blue ombre the bottom, so it's gonna be, I think I'm gonna use some rhinestones, some red rhinestones also on it. So I was putting on the polish with the brush, ombre in the polish with the brush. I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna do that anymore, guys. Let this dry, air dry. It's regular polish. That's regular polish, guys. It's regular polish. I had to use acetone to clean up my brush. It's all clean up now. It's the end of the ombre brush review. Oops. Mess up my that. And my hands. Let's stay over that side. So this back in the container. That was the best review ever on a brush. Just gonna stick it in there. So it's rhinestone time. I'm not gonna use these. I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use what I normally use on YouTube. I'm gonna use these red, and I don't have any glitter. Yes, I have red glitter. Yes, this is my red glitter and some red rhinestones as the background. So let me see what I'm gonna do for the other knee. I'm gonna do a plain purple with no ombre. Yes. While I'm doing my I think I'm gonna do this blue. I think I'm gonna do this blue. Glow in the dark some more. Won't hurt. I didn't like the blend on the edge of this yellow nail, so I'm gonna blend it some more. I'm gonna rub a chrome over the top. Yes, this is perfect. This is perfect because I'm seeing the yellow, so I'm gonna try and cover it. I'm gonna try and cover the yellow. Even though I top coated it, I'm gonna try and cover it and blend it some more. Yes, that's not bad. That is not bad, guys. All right, that's it. It's comb time and rhinestone time. I'm happy. I'm so happy, guys. So no nail art, only glitter, and I don't have a lot of red rhinestones. That's sad. It's really sad. Let's use red glitter. Okay, I'm gonna use a red glitter, and I have never used a red glitter before. See, I've never used a red glitter before, so I'm gonna have to poke it with something. I don't know what to do with it. I have to use something to punch a hole in it. Okay, that's it. So what I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of red glitter. Oops, that was a lot. That wasn't a little bit. What I'm doing. Pay attention, Ingrid. Pay attention. It's 81 seconds. Oh, I'm gonna put the top coat on this and then the glitter on the tip. Because it was air drying, guys. Oh, I'm gonna umber the glitter on. Let me try the umber with the glitter now. One more coat. See, I have so many flaws, guys. But I'm sick, you can see with that. On camera. I'm trying to embrace those flaws. Get rid of that glitter. Another layer of top coat and glitter. And that's it. Okay. So this is the review, guys. We have blue ombre, purple. I think I'm gonna put another coat of purple. Let me see. No, I think I'm gonna chrome it. So yeah, I'm trying another coat of purple on this. Yeah, it's a little bit dark on this second coat. It's not bad. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. One more coat. One more coat, guys. cleanup time. Cleanup time on camera. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Was it, and that's it. That's it. That was it. Oops. Oh, this should go under the lamp. And we're gonna do the ombre on these while those dry. So let's clean up our area. Clean up our brush. Put it back in the container. Try it ombre. Top over that. Stick in there. Use comb powders that I've never used. My last video with my Aurora Chrome. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out. Aurora nails. I'm gonna use this. No, I think I'm gonna use this scroll over the top. Kind of a greenish. Sorry about that, guys. So let's test out this mama while my glitter dries. And remember, guys, I'm sick, so be patient with me. Reflecting. They say a little goes a long way. Wow, this is really pretty, guys. Are you getting this on camera, guys? Are you seeing this on camera? I was watching 10 Little Canvases a couple weeks ago, and I was just imagining this nail specifically, if it would turn out as perfect as hers. But guess what, guys? This is even better. And it's not on my nail. I'm so sorry. So if you're watching this from 10 Little Canvas, Miss, I did not remember you recorded your name in my brain. I'm sorry. This is even more perfect than yours. Chef's kiss. Oh my god, I love it. Well, I'm gonna do it on all these nails, guys, except the glitter ombre. I'm gonna do it on all these. So, except those two. I can't wait to upload my video, guys. This is so good. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man, this is so good. Damn. This is so good. I said I was gonna do some rhinestones, guys. This wasn't top coated. Don't tell me it wasn't. Choke this too much. This is too much. This is too much. Look at that sheen, guys. Oh, this wasn't top coated. Anyways, I can put the top coat over it or matte it. I don't know. But I think I'm not going to. Yes, I can put the top coat over it. Oh my god, guys. These are perfect. I can't believe I'm doing this on camera, guys. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. Look at this work. Look at my handy dandy job. Oh my god. I don't think I like this one with the chrome. But the glitter. Oh yeah, I can put some rhinestones on the border of it. It's good, it's perfect. But look at these guys. Oh my god. The top coat is worth it. Oh my god. The chrome brush, guys. This wasn't top coated, guys. So next time I'm gonna try the reflective, the chrome colors on black and white. Speaking about black and white, I have some. Oh, wow, look at this. They are melting under the lamp. And melt, guys, under the lamp. And melted under the lamp. So that's a soak off, but I don't trust it. I don't know. Alright, let's try our rhinestone glue. And maybe a few of these. I lied, I'm gonna use these. Let's take them off now, guys. Let's use blue. Yeah, blue. So glitter is already prominent. Let's use blue and red. Let's use both blue and red. And I think I'm gonna give you a review, guys, on my rhinestone glue. It's not bad. It is not bad, guys. Can you see that, guys? I'm trying to use my fingers to do the rhinestone. Alright, let's put on the rhinestone glue on camera. Let you guys see. With that, I'm trying to use my fingers because they're like a small amount of rhinestones, but it won't work. Fingers don't work, guys. I have the appropriate tool, so I'm gonna use it. Let's use my rhinestone pen. And I have some small ones here. So tomorrow we're gonna do some reveal shots on camera. Let me see if I can position them. Oh yeah. I thought I put two small ones here. I swear I put two small ones here. Okay, that's it. It's not bad. Let's put this onto the UV lamp, and then that would be it for my set. That's it for my set, guys. Let's put this back. And get the pack in. So I said I was gonna leave these in the lamp, and what the lamp did was melt the nail. It was too strong. That's the review for the Macart rhinestone glue and my top coat is already on. Let me wipe this off with some alcohol and place it back in my settles, my trolley. So this is it, guys. Oh my god, this fell. It fell, guys. What's going on here? It fell. It fell. Let's take it back under the lamp. And that's it. Bye for now, guys. Bye. So I don't know if you can see this under the lamp, but the reflective polishes. You can see it under the lamp here. This is it. Under the lamp. These are my swatches from earlier. Under the lamp. That's it, guys. So bye for now. Bye for now. This is my New Year set. And I'm loving it. Wow. These are glow in the dark polishes and reflective polishes, natural polishes. So hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.